This is how you would complete Lesson 6 for word work as a Making Words helper. Using the pink page, the parents will look at the bottom of the list and talk their children through the words that they can make. So the first word that you're prompting your child to make is the word is. Use 2 letters to make the word is. Now I'll write it on my paper. Now you're going to prompt your child to change 1 letter to make the word it. It. Now I can write it on my paper. The next word that you're going to prompt your child to make is the word sit. You can tell them by adding 1 letter to it, you can make the word sit. Sit. And then write it on my page. Now I'm going to change my first letter. I'm going to change my first letter to make it say hit. Hit. Next, you're going to add another letter to make it say hits. Hits. I'll write that on my page. Hits. Next, rearrange the letters in this word to make it spell this. This. And then add it to my page. Next, you're going to change out 1 letter and make the word spell with. 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 I'll add it to my page. Now I'm going to use the same vowel and the T, and I'm going to use some other letters to try and spell the word itch. Itch. With 4 letters. Itch. Now I'm going to add a letter to the beginning to make it say which. And you might want to point out that this is the which that you see in stories and not the question which. And finally, see if they can come up with what the magic word is, the word that uses all those letters. And I see that if I put my S in front, that spells out the word switch. And we switch classes every day. My class goes to Mrs. Monroe's class. So that's the magic word, the secret word. The next thing that you want to do is, using all these words that you've created, you want to sort them into families. These are all the words that end in the it sound, and these are all the words that end in itch. So here, is doesn't fit in either one of these categories, so I'm not going to use it. It is already here. Now I have the word sit is in the it category, and hit is in the it category. Next, we're looking at the itch family. Itch is already from my list, and I can add which and switch. Finally, I'm going to take these words that we talked about here and see if I can use one of them in the sentence. The cat blank at the dog. Well, Which one of these word families could I use? The cat, what at the dog? The cat spit at the dog. Down here it says, he threw a great blank. Maybe using this word family, I can spell out the word pitch. He threw a great pitch. And that's how you would complete the word lessons for Unit 6.